Welcome back. In this video, I will show you how you can change your wallpaper in WhatsApp. First, open your WhatsApp application. Here is a sample of a chat group that we will use as reference. To change your wallpaper, go back to the home page. Then click on the three dots that you will see at the top right part of the screen. Select Settings. Go to Chats and select Wallpaper. To change your wallpaper, you need to tap the button Change. Here you can select your wallpaper from dark, bright, and other colors. You can also select your very own pictures. For me, I would like a dark wallpaper. I would love this mountain. And then, to set it as a wallpaper, tap Set Wallpaper. Now let's go back and see if the wallpaper has changed. As you can see, the wallpaper is now being used. If you want to see how you can change your ringtone in WhatsApp, check the next video. Thank you for watching and see you at the next one.